Hey Fort Collins, looking for a cool retro ranch full of vintage charm, upgrades and perfect for entertaining, plus one of the best Xeriscaped backyards in all of town? I've got you covered. Welcome to 729 Kimball Road in West Fort Collins. Hardwood floors and tons of natural light greet you when you walk in. The whole cooking, dining and living area all connect, which is rare for a house of this era. The kitchen has uber modern cabinetry, including butcher block countertops, a gas range, and stainless steel appliances. There is extra storage off the dining area, which flows right into the cozy family room with an original wood-burning fireplace. Or relax in the sunroom. Enjoy those big, beautiful windows and so much light. The backyard is a showstopper too, but we'll save that until the end. Down the hall is the primary, with ensuite bathroom and upgraded walk-in shower. There are two guest bedrooms also, both share a full bath. As you walk down the hall, don't miss the solar lights and also the modern whole house fan for extra efficient cooling. With the door to the two-car garage adjacent, now let's head to the basement. Recently updated with all new carpet, there's so much space down here. Room for an extra hangout spot, and there used to be a pool table down here too. The laundry is great, super spacious, and then there's this whole other primary suite, perfect for your out-of-town guests or a roommate. And check out that tub. Back on the main level, let's go out to the covered porch. This is perfect. Entertain under cover or out on the deck. With two sheds for storage, you can turn one into an outdoor bar. This one, complete with a fully paid off 5.6 kilowatt solar system, AC, a hot water heater replaced in 2022, furnace replaced in 2015, plus the garage is set up for an electric car charger. Radon is mitigated and the roof was replaced in 2022. This might be the perfect front range retro ranch. Call me for a showing. I'm Realtor Robert Crowe. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and follow. And as always, have a smashing day.